Hello everyone, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. We're not going to do a picking video tonight. It's also not going to be a package opening video, believe it or not. We're going to do a cut by code one of the subscribers is asking for. So these are all the cards that you use in this machine that I'm going to show you right now. You can see this is GM, there's a medical, LSDA, Toyota, there's cars, there's every key that you're ever going to cut. You need one of these cards to cut on this 1200 HPC machine here, guys. So I'm going to put a key in this, and I'm going to cut one for this. I got my nephew doing the camera. Chris, say hello.
What's up, everybody?
But you load it in, you use the shoulder to stop it. You come over. This is the spacing on the bottom of the card here, guys. This is already a Schlage card in here, okay? And this is going to be your depths up here. So this key that I'm going to cut here, it's just a random one that I grabbed out of a mortar cylinder I had. 78675. So without further ado, let's get cutting on this one. So my first cut, I'm at 1 on the spacing here, guys. And I'm going to cut a 7 for the depth. Oh, I'm rolling the wrong wheel again here. Sorry, guys. Okay, so we're going to roll a 7 here. Okay. And these are really, really precise machines. This is probably 90% of your locksmiths. That's 8, right? 7, 8. Sorry if it's a little loud, guys. 90% of your locksmiths, though, are going to have this machine in the back of their van. 7, 8, 6, 7, 5. Okay, so here's a 6, guys. Okay, I'm going to go to the number 4 space. This is a 7. Okay. And number 5 space, this is a 5, guys. And I just calibrated this machine. This is second take of this video because I must have bumped it when I took it out of the van or something. And it was off a little bit, so I just calibrated it. I'm going to show you how to do that before this video is over real fast. Okay, so that should work this lock no problem, guys. Perfectly. Okay, so this particular machine, it will run on 12 volt. Chris is going to show you the cords here. It'll run on 12 volt or 120, guys. There's a cord that it's plugged into right now. I just unplugged it, though. But if you switch it, it's really nice because you switch it forward, it runs on 120. If you switch it to the back, it'll run on your 12 volt system for your battery in your van or your car, whatever you're using it out of, guys. All right, we're going to do one more cut by coder. Oh, I started to tell you how to adjust these. So, you know, you don't have to buy that expensive-ass card and the key with the little V in the middle of it. I've never had one in my life. We own, I think, 9 of these machines, guys. And I've always calibrated them the same way. I like to do it with a best key. I'll cut one best key by code that I know on a good machine and then put it in this machine and work it over. But this one I just did with the Schlage key. And you just seen me cut this. That's the bitting on it. There's the number for it. So what I normally would do now, we're all the way down. I'll put this key back in here. And with the right cutting wheel on here, and I'm going to do a video on cutting wheels too, guys. I would go to the number 1 space here, line it up where exactly it should be there, and then come down. Now that should be a 7 cut, see? See where that lines up? So it's perfect right now, guys. So that's how I do these real fast, and it's pretty easy. There's a couple Allen screws on the back of here that you loosen up, and then you turn this with a 3/8 wrench, and it kind of gives you an adjustment here on this card, okay? Okay, we're going to go to the other machine now, guys, and I'm going to cut one on a computer-controlled machine and show you what the difference is here. Okay. So my nephew's just about going to get on a step ladder, the poor kid, to get up here. So this is called the Coldmax. It's made by HPC, too. Let it set itself. It's going to calibrate real fast. It calibrates every time you turn it on. Now, if you are fortunate enough to afford one of these machines, please, guys, these things are the cat's meow. We also have a Futura, but this is the one I use the most. So what this one takes, it doesn't use a card like the other machine. This one has what's called a DSD number. It's digital spacing data. And every one of those cards has a number on it that tells you what the digital spacing data is. I know for Schlage, it's 60 for this. So I have digital spacing data, 60, enter. See, it's saying Schlage, large pen. Use the shoulder gauge to stop the key, and that's what I did here, okay? Now, all you literally have to do is enter the bidding. 7, 8, 7, 8, 6, 1.75. Hit enter, start, and it does everything for you. And I've never cut a bad key on this machine, guys. And it's probably, what do you say the machine is, 10 years old, Chris?
Yeah, I'd say about that.
Grabbing the cylinder here, guys. Show you that this key works. How deep are we into this video? Oh, we're only 5 minutes. We got a lot of time, guys. Okay, I gotta brush this, Chris. Let me just step past you. So my grinder's on this side. He can show us brushing that key real fast. And here is the cylinder, same bitting, guys. Absolutely smooth and perfect, guys. I mean, you can't even tell there's pins in that lock. It's so smooth. Okay, that's it on that. I'm gonna do a little bit of a thing on. I'm gonna take the phone from my nephew now, because I'm gonna set you down right here. I'm going to do a little bit of a how to read these cutter wheels, okay? I don't have them all with me, though. You know what? I'll have to do that in a different video, guys. I'm sorry. All right, so this is just going to be a short one then. So there's the one machine, guys. All done. There's all the cards that I was showing you. And there's cutter wheels in here that I have, but I don't have them all. I want to have them all to do the video for you. But as you can see, I mean, you can get the ones that... These are actually Instaprint. You can print these off Instacode here in the back. Yeah. So you can actually print these and then laminate them if you don't have the cards. And I'm sure Frosty's going to appreciate that. Because Frosty's actually doing one of these machines right now. And I'm going to try and help him out with it when he gets ready to do it. So there's the one machine, guys. I'm going to take this back over to the Coldmax, show you that. We'll shut it down. And after you're done with this, you literally all you got to do is hit the power button back here. You're done with this machine, guys. It resets everything itself. It will calibrate itself as soon as it comes back up. But yeah, that's my fast video on cutting keys by code. Anything else, you can leave in the comments, guys. I will definitely do the videos for you. Thank you, Christopher.
No problem.
Everyone, thanks for your support. Have a great evening. And good night. I'm going to upload this right now, guys. Thank you.